Hi everyone and welcome back to Stu's Old Cars. I'd like to thank all the new subscribers that have subscribed and all the new viewers and the old subscribers and everybody really for supporting the channel. Obviously it'd be great if anyone else wants to subscribe and see some more. But in this video I'm going to continue what I was doing last time. I've changed the wire on the MIG welder and I've got a few little bits to fill in and then grind it all back. I'm also going to fill in all the trim holes because there's loads of them and I have no idea what ones are what now, so we'll re-drill them before we epoxy it, because I should be epoxying the whole car as I bare metal it gradually. But I'm not going to go in as much detail. I'm not going to spend ages filming grinding. I'll cut through a few bits and then we'll see what we get. Right, so let's get on with it. Actually, we're not going to fill that hole in because that's the one where it bolts on at the end. Right, so I thought I was filming then, and then I wasn't. So I don't know what happened there, but I filmed some of it anyway. But that's all continuously welded now, so I now need to carefully, without putting too much heat in it again, sand all the welds down, grind all the welds down, what we're going to call it. It's more sanding really. So we go on with that. I won't film too much of that either, but I'll show you what it looks like at the end, and then any bits that need touching up with weld, then I'll do that. Right, so I brought you in then just as I'm finishing grinding stroke sanding it out, sanding the welds out. I've got a few little bits I need to fill, a couple of other little holes, trim holes as well, so I will get them filled up, and then that's more or less it. There is a few little low spots and stuff, but it really hasn't warped too much at all, so I'm pretty happy with it. It's definitely going to need a lot less filling than what it would have done before. So yeah, that's a pretty good job. Right, so I've sanded it all down now. You can see, is it perfect? No, but it is a million times better than how it's fit before. It's going to need such a small amount of filler in it compared to the amount that was in it. So for this piece, I think we're going to call that it. And I also think we might call it that it. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching.